When we were informed of our successful bid for C821A Kim Chuan Depot extension, we were honoured and absolutely delighted to be selected. Whilst we have worked on several LTA projects before, none are as large and prestigious as C821A.
We understand that in order for work to be carried out smooth on site, we must do our part to keep our workforce safe, healthy, and happy. With our motto of work safe, home safe in mind, we ensure that all safety protocols are in place, reiterate safety messages in our monthly newsletters, and celebrate accident-free milestone through campaigns. We take care of our workforce's health by organizing health talks, health checkup, and giving out fruit weekly. No one could have foreseen how critical these measures would become in a situation that proves to be challenging, not only for us, but for the whole construction sector in Singapore.
Over 5,500 workers from various dorms and work sites have been screened. Covered workers who have passed 250 days and additional...
On hindsight, we made the right move to start our plans early. When we first learned that COVID-19 had hit our shores, we immediately set up a crisis management team and transformed one of our self-managed dormitories into an isolation facility dedicated to house workers arriving from overseas countries. Subsequently, we vastly increased the number of isolation rooms in each of our dormitories. Our priority and immediate concern was to take care of the safety and welfare of the workforce. We had to implement measures to contain any spread of the virus as quickly as possible. We also made efforts to ensure that workers' daily necessities such as meals and amenities were taken care of. Our safety team was briefed and trained on how to address worker concerns of salary, mental well-being, and most of all, what would happen if they were unfortunately infected. Safety is one of our core values, and it's a culture we hold firm from the top management to every single worker on site. At every opportunity, we place strong emphasis to ensure that work must be carried out safely. For C821A, this is not an easy feat, given the extensive scale of this project and the large number of manpower we consistently have on site. It is therefore important for us to continuously explore new ways to keep the workplace safe.
When we first restarted work at site, we implemented safe management measures, including appointing safe management and safe distancing officers to ensure that no one breaches the measures that we have put in place. To lower the risk of the virus spreading, we have implemented staggered meal times, dedicated resting areas, and site zoning. These measures help to prevent intermingling among our workforce. We have also installed foot pedals at the hand wash areas to reduce contact on high touch points.
The pandemic has challenged us in so many ways we never know before, and it highlights the vulnerability of our reliance on it. It has also pushed forward the adoption of technology, which has helped us work more productively while keeping the workplace safe.
Technology has definitely helped us to work more productively and keep our workforce safe. We can save time and labor on more manual work, help us to plan ahead before implementation, and takes care of our workforce in this unusual time.
Harbour is a system whereby it's implemented in all our hub sites, and the basic role of this harbour is for face recognition, for temperature check, for attendance in and out, for all the people who are coming in and out of the site. Harbour makes us more productive and efficient with its integrated platform.
We also use Harbour to generate safety reports. If there is any safety observation at site, we will take a photo and upload in the app. It will then send a notification to the respective subcons, and there they will follow up to close off the observation.
According to the site progress, we use BEAM to help us to plan the evacuation routes. ATP is a device we use to monitor the effectiveness of the cleaning regime.
In WOHAP, we remain committed to optimize environmental sustainability in our daily operation. To do so, we reduce water on site by using recycled water in our daily site activities, such as dust control and general washing. We also promote proper waste management systems, such as waste segregation, recycling, and reuse of construction waste. To minimize overall energy usage, we utilize energy-efficient lightings and motion sensor in our site office. The adoption of solar PV system at our site office helps to reduce energy consumption and generate less carbon emission than fossil fuels. The use of renewable energy is part of our environmental sustainability efforts. We also disseminated videos for environmental awareness and promotion to educate our workforce on this subject.
When the lockdown in dormitory was first announced, there were immediate issues that we had to address, like the daily meals of the workers as well as monitoring of their health. It then became apparent to us that these men who are used to being out there doing physical activity suddenly had nothing to do. Right? They could not be with their friends in the dormitory, as well as not able to go out as usual to buy necessities. To tackle this, we gave out care packs containing masks, toiletries, and food items. We engaged them in training and entertainment through the use of technology to keep them occupied.
We will continue to improve the support that we are providing to you, and we will communicate this to you through the use of Swipe Wi-Fi and the Know app.
This is also our way to let them know that we care for them and so that they do not feel so helpless and lost.
The sudden change of lifestyle was forced upon them with almost no notice, and they were not aware of what will happen next. They were confined to their rooms, concerned if they could get infected and worried about their families back home. The confinement and thoughts running through their minds could and would drive them crazy. Hence, it was important for us to get professionals to speak to them.
And because they were spending so much time in the dormitory, we have to do our best to ensure their physical health is taken care of as well. Hence, in addition to the safe living measure we make in accordance to MOM guidelines, we also added things like nano-X generator, synesis, and UV lights. These disinfectant and purifier are implemented in rooms and common washroom to disinfect the air and surface to lower the risk of the virus spreading. We also craft out a space within the dormitory to install our own isolation cabins for those who are unwell. It is our responsibility to take care of our workforce, and we will continue to explore whatever ways we can to keep them safe and healthy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The pandemic has challenged us to step out of our comfort zone. And who would have thought that it has given us the opportunity to not only survive, but thrive. I'm pleased that this difficult period has brought our team closer together as we venture towards the new normal. We are extremely honored to be recognized as one of LTA's ASAC Construction Safety Excellence Award winners for 2021. This would not have been possible without the hard work and dedication of the team and our workforce who has weathered the storm with us. We would like to thank all who have helped us achieve this goal, and to LTA for their acknowledgement and giving us the motivation to keep all stakeholders safe and healthy always.
Work safe! 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 Work safe!